Ever pondered the art of making money by buying and selling domain names? Well, today we're unlocking the secrets of this digital real estate game. First things first, immerse yourself in the domain industry. Understanding market trends, popular keywords, and valuation factors is paramount. Get acquainted with domain extensions like .com, .net, .org, and others. It's like learning a new language, but in the world of domains. Equip yourself with domain research tools. These are like your treasure maps, leading you to potential domains with market value. Hunt for short, memorable, and brandable names. They're the diamonds in the rough. Next up, carve out your skill in evaluating a domain's value. Consider factors like keyword relevance, length, brandability, and extension. It's akin to appraising a priceless artifact. Now, step into the exciting realm of domain auctions. Platforms like GoDaddy Auctions, Cedo, or Namecheap are your arenas. Here you'll find expired domains and those listed for sale, ripe for the picking. Keep a keen eye on domain expiration lists and snag valuable domains as they become available. It's a little like fishing, but with a much bigger payoff. Stay informed about industry trends, new technologies, and popular keywords. This knowledge is your compass, guiding your domain acquisition strategy. Building a diverse portfolio of domains is crucial. Think of it as your personal domain zoo, with each domain representing a unique creature. Ready to showcase your collection? List your domains on marketplaces and forums. Craft professional listings that highlight each domain's potential use. Spread the word about your domain portfolio on social media and engage with potential buyers. Make connections in domain-related communities. Who knows? Your next big buyer might be just a tweet away. When it comes to pricing your domains, be realistic. Consider factors like keyword popularity and potential demand. It's like setting the right price tag on a rare collectible. Negotiation is part of the game. Know your bottom line, but be open to dialogue. It's a dance, and you're leading. When you've struck a deal, use reputable escrow services for secure transactions. It's the safety net that protects both parties. Don't shy away from creating or purchasing brandable domains. They're like blank canvases, attractive to startups or businesses looking for a unique online identity. Keep an eye on the horizon and invest in domains related to emerging industries. It's like planting seeds today for a bountiful harvest in the future. Track your domain's expiration dates and ensure timely renewals. It's just like remembering important birthdays. Legalities matter. Get familiar with domain-related legal issues, including trademark complications. It's your shield against potential legal battles. Patience is a virtue in domain flipping. Some domains may take time to appreciate in value or find the right buyer. It's a waiting game, but the rewards can be worth it. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. It's your safety net against market fluctuations. Never stop learning. Attend domain conferences and events to network and learn from industry experts. Reinvest your profits. Like watering a garden, continually improving your collection enhances your chances of making profitable sales. That's the world of domain flipping in a nutshell. Remember, it's not just about buying and selling. It's about strategy, patience, and a keen eye for value. So come back for more financial insights and tips. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.